Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, let's make a beautiful snow scene that has a cute little snowman too. I enjoyed making this. I'm sure you will love it too. So let's go ahead and check out the things we would need. So we will be needing a 300 GSM watercolor paper. I'll be using brush number 6 and brush number 4. I would be needing a pencil, eraser, color palette and water. So the first step is we will be quickly making a sketch of the scene that we will be making. So the scene consists of a window, 2 Christmas trees and a snowman. Now with brush number 6, I'm applying some water onto the paper and then I will be putting in burnt umber or dark brown color for the wall. And now I'm using sky blue color to cover up all the areas that will have the snow, including a snowman. And now I have mixed in a lot of water onto a black color to make it a gray and then using for the rim of the windows. And now I'm making the window glasses. I am using the burnt umber color. Along with that, I'll be using some orange as well to give it a reflection of the lights that we will be putting in later. And now let's make the Christmas tree with black color. So we have to be making both the Christmas trees with black so that we can later apply whites to make the snow. And now I'm making the snowman with the help of bright red color. Let's make the Christmas wreath. So I'm using bright red color to make the bow. Along with that, I'll be using fresh green color to make the background a little later once this gets dried. And now the next step is I'm taking white ink, which is watercolor white ink, to make the snow. So here I'll be using 2 different kind of whites. One is a watercolor ink from the brand Camlin India, and the second one would be white acrylic to give that fluffiness to the snow, which will add some texture. And now with black, I'm making the wall panels. I'll be also making random designs in it, like a few stripes along with few circles. Now adding some greens to the wreath. Now with the help of white acrylic, let's make some lights. So firstly, I'm just making the lights randomly on both of the Christmas tree, and later we will cover this up with orange or bright yellow color. So I'm using some lights onto the window as well, just to show that the reflection is reflecting onto the glass. And now I'm using orange color, and now this should look as if it's lights. So I have mixed in some orange with some yellow to give this in-between color. Now I'm using white ink to make the snow. Once the snow is done, I'm outlining the window panel with the help of a black fine tip gel pen. Now I'm also outlining the wreath along with making the face of our little snowman. So I'm using this gel pen to do it. If you want, you can use black color to do this. And finally, I'm using some white thick acrylic to make some fluffy snow. This will add a beautiful texture to the painting. And last but not the least, using a white gel pen to make the snowfall. And let's make some reflection onto the eyes, and that's it. Our beautiful painting is now ready. So I have broken all the steps down for you to make this, and I'll also be putting in a picture in the end so that you can just refer to that and follow the instruction as I said and make this beautiful, gorgeous Christmas painting. So I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel, guys, as it means a lot to me, and stay tuned for more such tutorials in this coming December month. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye bye.